Hey guys, what's up? Get ready with me guys kasi we are going to beach resort and having beach fun today guys with my friends, and it's very timely. It's because it is also a birthday of a son of our good friend Ellen and Roderick Puyos. So yeah, shout out to Puyos family. So I have my backpack here and I am with my cousin Renan and his family, and also we are going to use the car of our very rich, not rich, slightly rich, a businessman, John. So come with us and I want you to watch, and I want to show you our beautiful beach here in Davao City. So let's go. So muna sila itong mga kauban guys. Hi Hasmin. Yes, the wife of Renan, and hi Nona Bells. Hi. Ford and the mayaman na father, the owner of the auto shop. Hi.
Hi.
So this is the car that we are going to use, owned by our mayaman na friend, Mr. Renan guys. Yes. The richest furniture maker in the Marilog. Hala, ang top sa BIR. So yes. So we are using this. So guys, this would be our car and our mayaman na friends and neighbor there. So they're also preparing sa ilahang sakyanan. With a sorbato dayon si. So using Starex. So views lang kami. They are Starex. This is our rich friend guys. Si John. Pag-hi sa pre.
Hi.
It's the owner of the car guys. One of the richest guy in the Marilog.
Si Barry.
Yes, si Barry namin. And sa aming silingan din doon na napakayaman din nila. They're very rich also. So the Starex and Jamote Cab they will be going to use. They are one of the richest people here, and including this guy. Yeah. We're all on board guys. Dito sa very luxury na car sa amo ang pare.
Sorry.
Sorry, car.
Yes. Thank you pare.
You're welcome.
Experience sa imong luxury car. Iba yung feeling ba? The aircon.
Anong feeling pala?
Feeling VIP. Look at this guys oh.
Feeling ngayon.
Very man siya ka luxury oy.
Baby.
Actually, it's just a baby. Yes.
Wala siyang baby pero siya nag-baby.
Naghahanap siya ng baby.
Baby.
Ayun.
Kina.
And I know someone out there familiar on that thing.
Ada power na
Kasi
mo.
ikan mo siya ka Australia.
Pula na mo dai.
Okay.
Kulay green na.
The baby ron. Ano ba English na baby ron day?
Tutoy.
Tutoy battle? Ano ba English manggid punta god po?
Tuben ya.
Tak, patay sa tabi.
Hi.
That's Roderick guys. Guys, what happened to the Philippines guys? All the gasoline station are shut down.
Wala.
They are closed. And the time is 5:31. Is that how business? I know na. Are you okay? Si Zayn karon kay ano? Nag-perform to. Finally, we found the gasoline station guys. Okay. Si mga person go. They're going to use the toilet. The toilet is there. Narito. Tara. Hey Day. Pabila siguro. So yes guys. So let's check the toilet here. Wow. Uy, in fairness ha, their toilet in Shell is very tidy.
Nice yung CR, no?
Impressive. Our service is leaving na. Ibiyaan na ta. Commute na lang kita ni Day. Go. Na si Papa na dito. Run. Tawag ka, Papa. Pa, ayaw migbiyae. Hingna. Hala. Babay na jud. Uy, ngani nga palmera kung ipangita oh. Red pa. My goodness. Okay.
Dagan dito oy. Dagan. Ito lang ang
Boys things. Yeah. We're waiting for our, kasamahan, kauban, here. Guys, na namin sa syudad, guys.
Nawala sa Bukid.
Wala namin sa amo ang bukid.
Syudadan ni.
So, finally, nakakita namin mga sakyanan na oh.
Syudadan yun ni. Amigas diri oy.
Dagko, kailang amigas ba?
Asa?
Hello, nang lakaw.
Oh,
Ayun.
postal na.
Wow. We're close to our destination, guys. Bisaya tabi, Bisaya. Ikan ang babak para baka Bisaya. Tuloy makulang ako ang mga subscriber po na mga English kung Bisaya ta no. Oras lagi sila makakuan. So Bisaya and English na lang tayo for today's video. Tagalog po. Kasi ang ako magkukumpare can't understand Bisaya na siya. English man na siya a person living in Australia and di ba pre may property sa US? Pare, di ba na may property sa US? Taga Beverly Hills to guys, actually. Taga Palm Drive, Beverly Hills, 21 Street, Santo Niño, Mantal. Ana. Sa US, yeah. Nasa US. US of A. Hey guys, we are going to Agi here in the Coastal Road. This is Coastal Road. The Mount Apo is there. Wow. Wow.
Pero kay Mount Apo.
Yes, the Mount Apo is there. And yes. Did I? Capture did I? Gawa sa mga cellphone.
Full butang ba?
Yes.
Di kita ba di para mag-video dito.
We're in Coastal Road, guys. Tama ba? This is considered as one of the longest coastal road in the Mindanao, according to them. Paslomo na lang nato siguro. Wow. Nangagi mi sa coastal road. Wow. Naa sa coastal road ni Agi. Pagkuang ka na, day?
Katong ako
Sa sunog.
Wow.
Ay, sunog. Kusog na kaayo ang kalayo. Smile na siya. Ano na siya magkamera? Yes guys. So guys, we're heading to our final destination. And this is the road. It's so narrow.
Sige na sa kapaling road. Sige na sa Barkandagan road.
Kapiot sa dalan guys.
Call, dali lang call. Laps ko ha.
Panakla ko sorry.
Miso palit no tatong na dito no na. Sayang ta. Balay mas nila atin ini diri. So let's call the attention of Tata.
Atubang pa.
O lagi ni diri day kay mo man kun ilang balay diri oh.
Di ba Tata? Ay sila dai.
Si Madam oh. Oh lagi.
Oh.
Aroy. So guys, nanami diri guys. Hey guys, oh. The birthday. Pag-hi sa. Hi.
Asa bakit na?
Oo.
Di may kuyo lang ka.
Ay diri day sa.
Siyang lula. Hi, nakauban. Kan ka mangliko ka.
Ako ang pinaka-handsome na friend diri guys, si Gok. Ayaw nag-duty Gok. We're here guys. Breakfast time. Singani lang siya. Namalit lang ni Samuel and dahil ang birthday so naka-avail ni sa mga lechon. Hi.
Dagan siguro. Ito ada dito pre.
Mag-English oy.
English daw.
English. English. So request man din na English. So guys, we bought a what we call this? I don't know what it is. But as far as I know, this is a baby parrot fish. Well, anyways, I'm not expert on that. But yes, we bought this from a kid out there. So let's wait for the kid to get back. Actually, it's just on that ocean. So they use it as spear fishing, yeah. They catch it through spear fishing. So isda sa bato daw siya, yes. So this is,
English to?
I,
Stonefish.
yeah, stonefish. So yes.
Ram stonefish. Mo bali sa
So this is the kid who sold it. Ay, eskwela pa ka dong? Grade? Grade 7.
So, unsa nga kahoy ninyo?
Wala lagi minimo kita lag si Lupit, pero okay, anyways, okay lang. Ngita lang ha, wait lang ha.
Ubo kay tag-ilong.
So yeah,
Foreigner pre.
this kid is so hardworking.
Hindi man yan para.
Kuha.
Imo na.
Inay lang ni mabusot ko.
So imong brother ang nagakuha ana.
Paano nga ninyo gidakop dong?
Yung kuya. So his brother do the spear fishing,
So,
and then he's the one who sold it.
unsa stonefish?
Say tawagin ninyo ana.
Mulog mami.
Mol. Thank you dong. Magbalik pa mo niya. Ano na ang tanda? Ha?
Kung namoy
Depende.
dalan dong katong matang baka na po dong.